One thing is for sure, both Italy and China love noodles. These are Chinese alkaline noodles, also known in the streets as ramen. And these are spaghetti, also known as, well, spaghetti. Let's start with China. These are Sichuan peppercorns, and they make your tongue tingle. These are millet peppers, and they add a nice spicy kick. Let's dance. Whew, that'll get ya. By the way, it's only the Far East if you're coming from the West. And now, Italiano. Let's put a spin on this. Sometimes the best dishes are the simplest, no matter where you're from.